Let's work on my bike.
Nice. That could have been open.
Okay, so today we're working on this front brake lever. I dumped it a few weeks ago and...
You did not dump it.
I dumped it.
No, dumping it's when you crash.
Yeah, you don't want to
drop the bike.
I dropped it. I dropped the bike on soft grass, like the kickstand. It dropped. It bent this lever. Like apparently this metal is really easy to bend. So we're just gonna try and bend it back. If that doesn't work, I do have a replacement front brake lever. I don't know if you can tell, but it's really like when your hand's on here, this is super hard to reach. And we're gonna try and replace the grips. I got some super cool white grips from Mike's XS, and I've been really excited to install them, so I think we're gonna try and do that today too.
Hey, you sent me marching slowly twice.
Oh, no way.
One of them says New America on it, but it's marching slowly.
Oh, no, but did you hear it?
I did.
Slowly,
Whoa.
template.
This is not ergonomic.
Yeah,
See
bike
that glue?
didn't have many miles. Everything was pretty, pretty nice.
Yeah. Ooh.
Here, put the knife down so don't.
I'm really excited about these grips. I think that they're gonna work. I guess we probably should have made sure before we ripped this one off. They're like barrel shaped, which I think is really cool. And they're white. They're not like stark white like this paint,
Yeah,
but
they're
I
pretty
think,
close.
yeah, I think so. And plus they're gonna get dirty. Old, new. Just getting all that glue off.
Yeah, why am I doing this? You buy new grips and then have us do the bullshit.
Oh, yeah, that's good.
You're onto me. Oh wow, that looks so much better.
on my bike.
Why don't you go no grip?
Let me feel it.
Show the world what you're made out of.
Ooh.
Yeah, that'd be nice.
A little bit there.
Yeah,
I don't know
yeah.
what it
And
looks
this,
like on
oh
the outside.
shit, this is, at the end is gross too.
Yeah. Let's go. Where's your grip? Put a little of this inside the grip.
Why are we doing this?
You wanted to glue it.
Yeah,
Yeah, because so that it doesn't slide off. Because we're going to put a little adhesive inside there. And
How quickly does this dry?
well, pretty good.
alright, jam
Tell
it
me
in.
when.
Jam it on.
So I just have to do it.
Yeah.
Don't
go all the
hesitate.
way.
Yeah.
Don't hesitate.
Commit and do it.
Commit.
Wait, there's a line though. Make sure you find the line
Oh,
where
there's
the
a
mold
line?
was. There's a line where the mold
Oh, I
was
see
released.
it.
Yeah, put
Yeah,
that on the bottom.
Oh yeah.
There you go.
That looks so good. Do the face.
You
You gotta do the face. You're not doing the face.
Adhesive.
Oh my god.
Where's the f***ing face? Yeah, there it is.
Okay. We're gonna.
You... Oh.
No, but
Yeah, that's
It is
going.
hard.
You
It's
get the rubber
going.
mallet though?
go ahead,
Here, I'll
buddy.
push
Yep,
this
yep.
while you
Whoa.
just twist it. Fucking bop it.
But
Do it.
push it,
Do
twist
the
it.
face.
No.
Yeah,
Pull it.
No.
yeah, he's not gonna
Nope,
do it
I'm
now.
gonna step on the wooden floor and make a noise. Any minute now.
Fill his pants.
That all
Chris
the way up.
Krana. Yeah,
looks
that
nice,
looks
that's
awesome.
Wow.
Holy shit.
Well worth it.
Grab it.
I love it. Feels good too.
And it's
'cause
better.
It's
It's
like,
beefier and
yeah.
softer.
Cool,
Look good too.
Oh, hang on. Pull it back a little bit. You've
Pull
got
it back.
Oh my god!
Yeah, right. Why?
Look, you've got it nipped. It's like
Nip.
nippled back. It doesn't matter. It just went on a little bit.
Oh.
I see what you're
Maybe
saying.
it doesn't matter. Leave it.
Okay, so that's
This is
the
nice.
left side.
That's nice.
It looks
Tell people what that is.
Simsol. Just a cleaner and degreaser.
In a peroxide bottle. No big deal.
Because
it's
Fuck.
labeled.
I
It's
know.
not labeled. So we got the front left grip on successfully. Nobody farted.
Not yet.
Exerting. I wasn't saying you. Next, we got the throttle.
You're out of the wheel.
Ooh.
Oh, fighting.
Move that in case he flies off.
Thank you.
All right, this was easy.
This one's being good. This one's being heavy. Yeah, it's starting to slide too. You got it, Justin.
Oh, come on, motherfucker.
For sale. Original throttle grip.
Whoa. You just put this on here?
Yeah, so I said, why do you want to get dirty?
Cool.
What is
Get
that?
dirty.
This is a rubber mallet
For what?
for slapping beavers over the head.
Slopping them. All right, let's
no,
go.
what's it? Gophers. Wait, no, what's the
Yeah,
game?
gophers.
I don't know. I knew you loved killing
Yeah,
animals.
what's whack-a-mole?
Whack-a-mole,
Moles,
moles.
She give her a hammer and her psycho comes out.
Look out.
We got those black lines. This is sick.
All right, I hit the end like this.
Line it up with that seam on the bottom, and then tap it on, just straight on.
Like this.
Right here.
Yeah, exactly like that.
Okay.
Yeah, so look at, that's the seam at the bottom, just like that.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
Yeah, just like that. So you can start to fit it on first. It's going to want to go.
Okay.
I got that. Yep, wiggle it on, because see, that's what's going to hold it.
Yep. Yeah,
Okay.
there you go. Did you make the face?
No.
She will be by the time she's done. Still push up as you do.
Ooh, I feel like I'm
Well, it's just because of that. The,
pushed this
Yeah.
way as I'm
yeah,
going.
can put some pressure on it too.
Oh yeah.
Going?
Yeah.
There you
You
go.
got it. Well, those went easy.
Yeah, now we'll probably snap this fucking lever off.
Well, that's why I brought this out.
Oh, yeah, right.
Yeah, you got a ways to go. I can see it. You can see it expanded at that spot.
Yeah, like right
Yeah.
here.
So she can talk about the math.
I was wondering if we should heat
God.
that up if we.
Wow, they look so good, you guys.
Yeah, they're sick. Good call.
Wait till you get the red tassels hanging off.
Oh shoot!
You can get those.
Now I need red tassels.
What's up with this brake fluid?
Oh, I hate this. It's like.
No, I just mean level. Do we
Oh,
have
I
any?
don't know.
Oh, I thought you guys checked that.
Well, I did when...
Oh yeah.
I
see it.
can't see it now in this lighting, though.
So,
I just need a little bit.
If it's does
Let's bend this
lower-
lever first.
Lower means if it's lower than that, then add more.
Yeah, if it's lower than
Okay.
that,
When
it can
it's
suck
low,
air.
You want to top it off.
Yeah,
So when
Okay, when?
this may not going to be working.
Close your eyes.
Everybody should have eye protection
look
on,
away.
probably. Include me. Oh, it's trying. Okay, I'm gonna stop a minute because I'm gonna take a break.
He's making the face like...
Oh, it's moving.
It's getting there. We got lucky. Yeah,
Yeah.
we got lucky. Nice.
Now you have the
Right
original.
back. Oh yeah, that's
Plus,
so much better.
the
Yeah, 'cause
chrome
this
look.
is what
Me too.
we were working with.
Yeah, I
No,
like that
this
better
is
so
too.
way
different.
nicer.
And you can always even polish this a little bit by hand.
Who cares, though?
What do you
It's a nice
Phillips
patina.
dot 3.
Yeah.
So
get
what
the
you just
screws.
saw
Yeah, it's
was
open.
pure manpower.
No, it's pee-pee power.
Pure
PP
pure
power.
PP power. PPP.
Not urine.
Bending my brain.
Oh, no!
What did you do?
I sneezed booger on myself.
God.
You gotta edit this out. We're falling apart.
So
Justin, is
what?
Phillips on the rack.
Yeah.
All right, open that up and listen. So
Yeah.
extremely important. You
We're filling up my brake fluid. It's .5.
Nope.
dot 3.
And
it's
it's right there.
.3. Oh.
Only
That
use
looks
dot 3. Want to try that one again? All right, hold on. I'll do it. Nice. That could have been open. I gave it to
No, I
you.
don't like this one.
All right. What are you doing and why?
I'm sweating first of
Yeah, I
all.
can smell it.
All right, I'm filling up my brake fluid. It's .3, which conveniently is in this garage already. We noticed when we were working on the brake lever and the new shiny grips that this was super low. And then I was reminded to always check this, which like I never do. But I am
ABC.
always be checking.
There you go.
I do always
ABC.
look at this. ABC. I do always look at this because it's so gross, and I'm like, oh, I really need to clean that.
Well, we can do that now.
Why is it like that?
That just peeling off the
Is
because
it
it's
leaking?
no, it's
Oh.
what do you call it? It's like a pot metal. I forget what they have, magnesium, manganese. I don't know something, but it just gets cruddy with the moisture.
Oh.
So we could clean that and paint it at a later date.
So we shined a light on this side, and so we could see the level, and we noticed that it was low. So this is .3 because it says it here, and make sure you don't mix .3 and .5 because that's dangerous. What would happen?
Well, it kind of turns into cottage cheese.
Ooh, and then you can't
So
brake.
it'll clog up your brake lines. Your brakes won't work, and you'll have to replace everything. Yeah.
Terrible.
So you got to be very careful of that. Also, .3 could still hurt your paint, so that's why we got the rag.
I decided to stand up so I'm not like rocking the bike as I'm doing this.
That's a good idea. Yeah. And you want them same thing when you go back in, good and snug, but not overdo it.
You just killed them off.
Yeah, whatever.
It wasn't a mosquito, I was
Poor
letting
guy.
it
Thought it
live.
was a mosquito. I can't see that good.
Okay. You want to get on a motorcycle?
Yeah, I can feel my way around.
So that, you have to pop that out. That's a dust cover.
Wait, this.
So what?
Wait.
But be careful, because when you pop that out, it'll like,
Well,
it's
it's
like
a
a nipple.
Is
I
it the
see
screen
that.
or the
Yeah,
rubber?
no, that's the
Oh, the
rubber.
rubber,
So
okay.
it's
Yeah,
gonna
so it's
like
gonna
nip
wanna-
on you and splash. Just
Does this whole thing
yeah,
come
but
out?
this
Yeah.
might take
Can
your
I grab
fingernail
it?
paint off
What-
if you care.
What
Can
that-
I?
Yeah.
Where does it come out? Like where
Like
does
right
it
here,
lip?
see this
That
rubber
whole
lip?
thing's gonna
Yeah.
Yeah, that'll pop right off. So you just get under it with your fingernails
And you're
to
gonna-
pop up.
Oh, okay, I see.
And
Okay.
then just, so it's going to be wet at the bottom. And
Okay.
just push it back up. It's going to be like reset it.
Push it.
Well,
Yeah.
if you can pull that nip, then you don't have to get it on your
Oh, yeah,
hands.
yeah. I didn't know. I can't see. Yep. Did it come up?
All the way, all
no,
the way.
No, let's take
Oh.
a look at it underneath. It just goes nice and even.
Oh, like that probably.
Yeah.
Well, I can't see. Is that
Yeah,
enough?
that looks fine.
Should get it? Okay.
Yeah. All right. Hand peep the nip transport. All right. Fill this up just with a little bit. See how on this side it's almost flush with the bottom? You just don't want it to be able to suck air down into the line. That hole down there is where that goes to your brake line. If it
Yeah.
sucks air into the line, then you'll have really squishy brakes that won't work.
Okay.
Just a kiss.
Okay. I might have to come in on this side.
All right. That's enough.
Yeah, don't need much. You
No,
were,
that's
you,
good.
You were better than it looked
You're
once
good.
you opened it.
You don't need any more. Oh, that's good. It's too much.
No, yeah, plenty stop.
Okay.
Other things you want to be careful of is not to overfill, especially in the summer, both your gas tank and stuff like that, because then it expands and it'll be forcing out.
Oh, oh.
All right, I go back
All right.
like that. Yep.
Hmm.
Yeah, so you got the rubber gasket.
I don't
in the
really
down.
get what that is. What this is doing.
Well, that's just to help keep it so it doesn't suck air. And
Oh.
if it did get really low, the idea is that to try to fight. So if you suck air, then you got to bleed your brakes and everything again, and set them up again. So the idea is, you know, if it
Yeah,
gets
but you want to push that nip down now.
no.
You want to leave it there?
Yep.
All right.
It's going to pull down with the. Hang on, is that everything in place? Yep.
Yeah, that was it.
Alright.
Just the screws in the cap.
No, that will suck down as the fluid level gets lower and your brakes
Alright.
wear, and that's the point. It follows the fluid. So if you get real low,
So you want to reset with nip up.
Christopher
grab.
Crossan,
I'm
Christopher Cross,
No, it's Chris Crona.
Chris Cronin,
Chris
Chris
Cronenberg.
Cronin, Chris
That's his
Cronin.
cousin.
Yeah, this is just gonna keep evolving.
And once you get it all
Oh.
nice and even, just a little, you know, that little bit more, not a lot.
All right, we're cool here.
I think you're
Almost.
good enough.
And don't go mega
Yeah,
tight on this because
oh.
this
Right.
is plastic.
Oh, okay.
Right.
Plastic
I
is
won't
go
plastic.
mega
Right,
tight.
and you
That's
know,
okay.
you get the feel, so it kind of feels the
Yeah.
same. So your human torque wrench, just in
Okay, so we got fresh oil, we've got fresh grips, and a no longer bent front brake lever,
Look at that.
and fresh braking fluid. Fresh, fresh, fresh.
Yep.
Okay, bye.